So the question given is a long non-conducting massless rod of length L pivoted at its center and balanced with a weight W at a distance x from the left end. At the left and right ends of the rod are attached small conducting spheres with positive charges q and 2q respectively. A distance h directly beneath each of these spheres is a fixed sphere of positive charge q. Two questions are given in this. The first one is find the distance x where the rod is horizontal and balanced. Second is we have to find the value of h so that the rod will not exert any vertical force on the hinge. So here the given situation is represented in this figure. Weight is at a distance x from the left end. The right and left ends are given with a point charges q and 2q. H beneath the rod, there are 2 point charges q. Now if you see the first question, find the distance x for which the rod is horizontal and balanced. Means the body will be in rotational equilibrium as well as translational equilibrium. So I am going to consider translational equilibrium. Translational equilibrium means torque about any point should be equal to 0. So here I am considering torque about point O will be equal to 0. Here if you see, this W will be creating an anti-clockwise torque. Between these two charges there will be a repulsive force. This repulsive force will create an clockwise torque. Again between these two there is an repulsive force. This repulsive force will again create an anti-clockwise torque. For rotational equilibrium, the anti-clockwise torque and the clockwise torque should become equal. So here if you first consider the torque due to W, this distance will be total rod length is L, means this half will be L by 2. This will be L by 2 minus x. So the torque due to weight will be is equals to weight into L by 2 minus x plus one more anti-clockwise torque is there. The force between these two will be k q1 q2 by r square. This will be k into 2q capital Q upon h square into distance from point O will be L by 2. These two are our anti-clockwise torque. This should be equal to the clockwise torque. Here the force will be k q capital Q upon h square into distance here is L by 2. Now solve this equation for x. This will be is equals to L by 2 into 1 plus kq capital Q upon W h square. So here we are using this condition. Balanced condition implies net torque about any point will be equal to 0. Next question is, there is no vertical force on the rod. Here there is no vertical force. What will be the condition? What will be the value of h? So here again the rod is in balanced condition. So net force in vertical direction will be equal to 0. Force in upward direction should be equal to force in downward direction. Here if you see the upward forces, these two repulsive forces will be acting in upward direction. This is k2q into q upon h square. This is kq upon h square. Total will be 3kq upon h square. And the only downward force acting is W. Rod is massless, so there won't be any weight for this rod. So only downward force acting will be W. So from here, this bring it this side and take the square root. H will be is equals to square root of 3kq upon W. This will be the solution for this question.